Most people want microwave Moola. Fast, hot, instant. But microwave meals, they don't build long-term health, right? Crockpots do. Slow, steady, layered. Online memberships are crockpot income. You add value, you build relationships, you let time do its job. It doesn't explode overnight, but it feeds your family long term. Quick Moola is loud, compound Moola is quiet. So choose wisely. Inside SKOOL, we focus on long term structure. Join us if you're building for legacy, not likes. Let's go, let's grow.